Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to turn an ordinary painting session into an incredible art experience in just 3 simple steps. Let's dive in. Step 1. Set up your canvas and art supplies. Make sure you have a comfortable space where you can be free to express yourself. Step 2 is all about preparing your mind. Dive into I Am Intuitive Art Meditation. Connect, experience, and explore by clicking the link below. Now let's close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, and let your intuition guide your creativity. This isn't just painting, it's a way to connect deeply with your art. Finally, step 3. Now that you're mentally prepared, let your creativity flow and create your masterpiece. There are no rules. Just let your brushstrokes express your inner world. And there you have it. There are 3 simple steps to transform your painting experience. I can't wait to see what incredible art you all create. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your masterpieces with me. See you next time.